going to play, what is that called? Gimkit. So this is the game. With my friends here, yeah. And also, other than that, they're going to answer questions to get the snowball. So let's check this one out.
As you can see here guys, they are playing the game and they have to attack each other using snowball. When they don't have the snowball, they have to get the snowball by answer the questions to get the snowball.
So behind me you can see my students like doing the game, playing the game. So this is the example, the game. And you know, they also need to answer the questions if they want to get the snowball to attack them. Alright. So that's gonna be fun.
Look at them guys. They are so joyful and of course they're so excited to play this game.
Not review. The winner going to final is, there's gonna be the final. The final is, congratulations. So this is the top 6. Dave, Freddy, Grace, Kayla, Octavianus, and Doppio. All our games for today. Thank you and I'll see you next